Hello everyone! In today's video, we'll be learning about the Lilac-Breasted Rollers with Wonder Sisters. Let's start with the introduction. The Lilac-Breasted Roller is an African bird of the roller family Coracidae. In African culture, the Lilac-Breasted Roller is considered the bird of peace. It is often sacrificed by kings declaring the peace in their land. Moving on to the geography, Lilac-Breasted Rollers live in the tropical savanna, orthopogenic biomes, and woodlands. These birds live in the tropical and the temperate climates. Now you know where to find them. Moving on to the sources of survival. Lilac-Breasted Rollers are carnivores. They feed on arthropods and small vertebrates, including ground-dwelling insects. Right now, there are no major threats facing the Lilac-Breasted Rollers. They are safe and sound in their home climate. Thanks for watching! Like, share, and subscribe for more videos.